hear them. Yes, we have another week ready for the 4x1, right? So we'll be bringing it out and it's festive.
How many did you bring?
Quite a few.
Put a number on it. Put a number on it.
I would say about 10.
That's an extra piece of luggage then, right?
It is. I brought a bag just for wigs and hair products.
The first time I put on a wig, I'm going to glue it down good and then something there. But then when I come out here, I start drip water now. I say, listen, I'm not going to afford for that wig here, shame me, because I'm telling you from no, as much as me fly all the way from Jamaica and come here for run, if my wig drop off, me I drop with it.
Bruh.
Me I tell you, ambulance have to pick me up. No man, what kind of phone you have, sir? Man phone never ready. I'm see my while ago and I made him take a picture, but he make sure same phone is ready now. Saint Elizabeth, you come from girl.
Up in the mountain, one road in,
No,
one road
no. A Saint Elizabeth girl, no mountain there.
Well, when I went to visit, it was a long drive up
Actually,
in
you
the
come from
mountain.
Britain. You think everything a mountain? Come there.
Everything, I don't know. I just remember being like,
Girls say mountain. Which mountain?
Your hair looks so gorgeous.
Thank
Do you do it yourself?
Me, no girl.
Who's your stylist?
Let's remember the girl name. I actually never remember the girl name. That's just the honest truth. Like when I hear the girl ask me who did the ear like me, I say, that makes me remember the girl name. Oh, and a real medal this. I tell the people them say Sheka, can you imagine if Sheka did one in her panty? Would have dead out the man? If she did ever in her panty a murder. Yeah man, them have to go pick up off her ground because I know she'll kill you all of you there. Right now, Sheka go drop her panty line and say, yeah, the Jacko panty. Go in it. Yeah. Yeah, girl. Oh, you gonna, hey. I see her out of my eye, I tell you, I see her, I glimpse up. I see the girl come. I say, put little pep in the step, girl. One time I saw my head up. Girl, my head up there, and some years ago, I say, line where you're there. It's a father. When I see me later, I say, all right then. I have to go get out, you know, I have to go get out. And I say, I have to get out and wire down the corner there. But I say, I glimpse out of my eye when you come off of the corner and see your bee. Listen, I say, the girl that come in like a flood. I say, look on Noisha.
I mean, rumors have it that you may challenge the 400 hurdles before your time.
The what?
400 hurdles.
Sir, we can barely run the 200.
But that's 400.
No 400, you mad?
That's 400.
No 400 to the dolly body.
No 400 to the dolly body.